Hey guys, this is Prakhar Gupta from BITS Pranali Hyderabad campus. I am pursuing computer science and I am currently in my third year. I like to code, I like to innovate and I like to design. I am really excited about my idea selection in Internet for All Challenge 2014. So let's move on to my idea. So what the problem which I am solving is, I am focusing on two problems mainly: poor health services, which have become a major part of our country, and lack of emergency measures. Like if some casualty happens, then there are so poor measures that people are not able to get quick medical help, and that's why the death rates are rising a lot in our country these days. The second problem which I am focusing on this time is lack of services of patients which are suffering from terrible diseases like dementia. These are the diseases like which are not having any solution currently. But to avoid any damage to these type of people, we need to take some measures. And for those measures, I have developed an application, an Android application, so that these measures can be implemented. Coming to the solution, guys, this is the solution. This is my app idea practitioner. Starting from the application, there are mainly two features which are in the main demand. These are GPS tracking and emergency. Let me come over to the emergency part. Emergency, like suppose if you have an Android application, it has a button emergency or press help. When you click on the emergency or help button, there will be when your GPS will be on and your location will be traced using this GPS, and that location will be marked on map. After a location has been marked on map, this person will be connected to nearest hospitals. Like suppose if you have a map and then you want to be connected to nearest hospitals, what I am doing is I am getting his location, I am making a radius of 5 kilometers and I am finding the nearest hospitals which are available, and then after connecting to the nearest hospitals, an image of his using the front camera will be taken and will be attached along with the mail, and this email will be sent to the hospitals, to all the hospitals which are in the 5 kilometer circle radius. After it has been attached, this emergency team from the hospital will be dispatched and primary diagnosis will be provided. Coming to the problem in which some people are facing from terrible diseases like dementia, the solution to that is like GPS tracking. The second main feature which has been provided in my Android application. In this feature, what I am doing is I am tracking. I am first of all registering the device. I am registering the device, and when the device is registered, this device is located on the map, so that I can always know where he is moving, where he is walking, and where is he going right now. So if he is lost also, like in a jungle, then his location is continuously traced. And how I am going to trace his location? Using GPS modules. There are external GPS modules provided by Intel and Qualcomm. We are connecting these modules to my Android application using external APIs, and then I am monitoring this device, and so that the location of the person is always visible. When it is always visible, and if he is lost also, then an emergency team can be dispatched and he can be found. So these are the two solutions which I have worked on. Later on, I am thinking of adding additional features. Those features will be: first, a medical solution kit will be there for small diseases like nausea. Like there are some small diseases which can be handled in our home also. Like if we have the solution, like suppose you are suffering from nausea and you know your symptoms, you just have to tell the symptoms, and using machine learning, we are able to tell you that what are the possible measures which you should take so as to come out of the bad situation and become healthy again. The second additional feature which I am planning is which is for people suffering from diabetes. Like if they want to know their blood pressure, then there are features which can be provided in the application, so that using the this blood circulation level only, or like suppose if you could connect the external device for calculating the blood pressure to this, and you can get the count of your diabetes and all. And the third additional feature which I am working on is the chat rooms. Like if you are a person, you are suffering from cancer or like skin cancer, leukemia, and other diseases. If you are connected with the similar kind of people who are suffering from the similar diseases, then you are able to experience the thoughts which other people are facing, or the feeling or their feelings. So basically, those chat rooms will be created. You can join chat room. You can you can join and you can express your feelings there. The fourth additional feature will be latest news regarding the diseases and how the government and how the other big hospitals are planning to cure it. The motto which I am using for developing this application and technology is like utilizing technology in a smart way, because we all know that technology is there. Technology is always there, but we have to utilize it, and that too in a smart way. And yeah, it's always there that we have to make the world a better place. Thank you all, and I hope you like my idea.